I'm indeed very happy to be amongst you for the inaugural function of this national seminar on MSME. I'm particularly very much happy because you have decided to organize this national seminar, especially in the Goa. The subject for the national seminars as the challenges and opportunities is also very brilliant and relevant because of the MSME sector is poised for the mega transformation in 2020. As of now, the MSME sector contributes to 29% of the GDP and 48% of the exports, providing the employment all over the 11 crores of the people. The MSME sector is the real growth engine of the Indian economy and holds the key realizations of the $5 trillion economy goal set up in the nation by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. For this goal to achieve by 2024, the MSME sector will have to be geared up for the contribution of the $2 trillion. In addition to this contribution to the GDP, Honorable Union MSME Minister Nitin Gadkari ji has also had the target generating the 5 crore additional jobs from these sectors. I'm sure that the MSME sector will rise up to the challenges and meet both the objectives.